I got this green screen I'm gonna try out, but it didn't come with the stand, so I'm not sure how it's gonna be propped up. Oh shit! It's I don't think I need a stand. Oh my god. Look how huge it is. Yo! Nice. We're increasing the production value here at Pixel Pete. Now we have a green screen. Welcome back! For all the newcomers, I'm a game developer and a pixel artist, and you can wishlist my Tower Defense Dungeon Crawler RPG on Steam. So let's talk about Patreon. Check it out. They changed their logo. By the way, if you press F in Photoshop, it changes it to like full screen stuff. You know, I don't really like neither of their logos, but that's not the type of Patreon talk I want to do. We're gonna talk about Patreon and indie game development. In my last video, I talked about how my new logo is a sad slime and it represents game dev depression. And I got comments like these. Dude, you could definitely start a Patreon or something for your YouTube. Your videos have been invaluable to me, and I'm sure lots of people feel the same. Damn, dude. I really appreciate that. In another video, I talked about how I don't have health insurance, and this comment was great. Yo, Pixel Pete, where's your Patreon? We need to get this man some health insurance. If we search Game Dev Patreon and just open up a couple of these, I want to show you guys something. Look at this guy here. He's only making $188 a month. Look at this dude here. He's making $100 a month. Look at this dude here. He's making, he's not showing it because it's probably so low. And look at this guy. He's making $500. That's not bad. That's not bad. Honestly, if I made $100 a month on Patreon, just that would be a help. Remember, YouTube pays me like $150 a month. Look at this shade. $129, bro. Whoa. I know one of the cool things that I could offer on Patreon is early access to Dwerve. However, I feel like that would be unfair to the people who supported me on Kickstarter to get that early access. But I think I got a pretty decent idea. You know how I have this free art asset pack on Itch? I can draw requested pixel art by the Patreons for their games. That's dope, isn't it? So I can't give you early access to Dwerve, but you can get early access to Downhole. It's a project that I'm currently working on, a side project. And you will become, you will get early access on Android, on iPhone, also on PC. You'll become part of the game design process. You can tell me what you like, what you don't like. We can make up power-ups together. It'll be really fun to work on this game with you guys. Oh shit! Check it out, I just picked up a TNT and boom! It creates these explosions. You can help me create sections, you know, submit sketches for enemies or ideas. Basically, you get to become part of the process of making the game. And of course, I'm gonna add you guys to the credits. Oof, I got hit there. Let's put that guy there. And then this is like a puzzle game, and it's a roguelite. It's a pretty cool game. Like, I hope that this game actually gets a little bit of traction. Oh, the stalactite fell on me. This game's a roguelite, and I have these like sections, and it randomly selects the sections. It's pretty cool. For the biggest supporters, I'll probably put you into the game as a character and stuff. Some of the money from Patreon would go to pay Morty for making the music, and Enche for working on the art. Enche's a better pixel artist than I am. And check out some of this art that he's done for Dwerve. We work with both of them on Dwerve. You could draw a character, and I would put it in the game. This could be so awesome. And I also, you know, would really appreciate the money for stuff like buying a new mic. Also, the chair's kind of uncomfortable, and you know how much chairs cost? Like a good office chair is like $500, and I could also use a better webcam. So everything would just be so much better if this Patreon worked out. Please, mains, let's make it do it, make it work. You can support me at patreon.com. Pixel Pete. Aw, it's already taken. Sad slime. Alright. Just another fool chasing the indie dream. I managed to get some exceptional fans like you that understand the difficulties of being a creator. This Patreon is for you.